Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to set up your LINKSYS EA6300 AC1200 Wi-Fi router step by step, from connecting the hardware and powering it on, to logging into the setup page and configuring your wireless network quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. What's in the box? Before you begin, please verify that all the following items are included in your package: LINKSYS AC1200 Wi-Fi Wireless Dual-Band Router, EA6300, Ethernet Cable Power Adapter Setup Software and User Guide CD. Carefully remove the router and all accessories from the packaging. Step 2. Position the router. Place the router in a central location in your home or office, away from large metal objects, concrete walls, and devices that emit radio frequency, RF, noise. Step 3. Connect to modem. Disconnect the power from your modem. Connect one end of the included Ethernet cable to the yellow Internet port on the back of the EA6300 router and the other end to the Ethernet port on your modem. Step 4. Connect the power adapter to the 12V DC power port on the back of the router and plug the other end into a power outlet. Step 5. Reconnect power to modem. Wait for the modem to fully boot up and establish an internet connection, which may take a few minutes. Step 6. Connect to router for a wired connection. Connect another Ethernet cable from your computer's network port to any of the blue Ethernet ports, 1 to 4, on the back of the router. For a wireless connection, connect your computer or mobile device to the router's default Wi-Fi network. Step 7. Access setup. Open a web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Edge, on your connected computer or device. The LINKSYS Smart Wi-Fi setup page should automatically appear. If it does not, type linksysmartwifi.com or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar and press enter. Step 8. Follow on-screen instructions. The setup wizard will guide you through configuring your router, including setting up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password, and creating an administrator password for the router. Once your LINKSYS EA6300 is fully set up, you can start enjoying its advanced features for a smoother and more reliable network experience. This router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, operating on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands at the same time. The 2.4 GHz band provides broader coverage and better wall penetration, making it ideal for web browsing, email, and everyday devices. The 5 GHz band delivers faster speeds with less interference, perfect for HD streaming, online gaming, and large downloads. Ensure you create a strong administrator password to protect your router settings and keep your network secure. If you are unable to set up your LINKSYS EA6300 AC1200 Wi-Fi router, or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.